Hello guys, welcome once again to Sparky Media. In this video tutorial, we are going to be talking about video in withdrawal. How can one withdraw from this platform? This is what we are going to be talking about in this very video. Okay, so if you have been searching how you can place withdrawal and you don't know how you can withdraw from this platform and you are a user of this platform, then this is a few video guide or on how to place withdrawal on this platform. Now, it's not all about placing withdrawal on this platform. It's all about after you have placed withdrawal, will you be paid? That is the question we are supposed to be asking ourselves. Okay, so in this video tutorial, I am going to be revealing to you guys if this platform is even a legit one or a scam platform. So all you need to do is to calm down and watch this video from beginning to the end without skipping any single line, because in this very video you are going to find out if this platform is legit or scam. It's not all about earning and it's not all about placing withdrawal. It's all about after you have placed withdrawal, will you be paid? That is the question we are supposed to be asking ourselves. Previously, I made a review video in regards to this platform, and people were like, boss, you did not show how to withdraw. You did not show how to withdraw. I was like, you people should have watched to the end so that you will get the full information you need on this platform. All right, so before I proceed with this video, guys, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Sparky, aka Legit Boss. What I know, this my channel is all about business. I share business tips, money making ideas on daily basis on this my channel. If you are hearing my voice for the first time or you are coming across my channel for the first time, all you need to do for you not to miss out any of my latest updates is to hit on that subscribe button shown on screen and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I release new videos on money making updates, money making ideas on daily basis. Okay, then at the end of this video, if you are not in my WhatsApp group, I'll be leaving my WhatsApp group link in the comment section of this video. What I do on my WhatsApp group, I share business updates, business tips and business ideas on my WhatsApp group on daily basis. For you not to miss out and stay in touch with me, all you need to do is to use the link in the comment section of this video to join us there for daily updates. Okay, so in this video I'll briefly talk about what video in is all about for the purpose of, or for the sake of those hearing about video in for the first time. I will talk about it, then I'll proceed to show you guys how to withdraw, and then I will talk about if it is legit or scam. But before I proceed with this video, I would love to lay a clear disclaimer. This is disclaimer. This video is meant for educational and informational purpose only and not a financial advice. As a result may vary based on how you are using video in platform. This video does not guarantee you any result, so therefore you are advised to make your own research before using any platform. This is my advice to all my viewers, my followers. I've always tell people that whenever you use any platform, before you use them, make sure to make your research and always know the reason why you are using any platform. Okay, so what is video earn all about? Video earn is an online earning platform which claim that user can actually earn money when they are streaming on the platform, watching videos and then doing tasks and then the rest of them. So that is what this platform claims to be. Is it real or fake? We are still going to find out in this very video. So how can one place withdrawal? Now after one have finished earning, you can see the option of withdrawal here, withdrawal over here. So scroll down, you can see the option of withdraw. Click on withdraw. They have multiple payout. You can see the option of bank transfer, mobile payments, PayPal, cryptocurrency. So when you click on bank transfer, they claim that the minimum one can withdraw is 287,000. So as you can see here, they claim that before you can withdraw this money, that you need to first of all attend their minimum before you can place withdrawal on the platform. So that is what the platform all about. Then it's not all about withdrawing. Now that we have talked about it, is it real or fake? Before I proceed to tell you guys if this platform is real or fake, I would love to recall some platform that appeared like this very platform and ended up wasting people's data, time, effort and energy and never pay them. I don't know if any of you watching this video can recall money easily. Easy Earn, Freestar, Music Own, Music Earn, Audio Less. These are the platform that wants to appear like this and claims that when user watch video, participate, or even MomoTube. I don't know if any of you watching this video can recall MomoTube. So these are the platform that appeared like this and ended up never paying people. I mean, how can a platform tell you that when you just watch video, they will pay you when you have 289,000? So we should be asking ourselves, what is their source of income? These are the things we need to look into. What is the source of the income of this platform? This platform does not have any means of generating revenue for their user, rather than wasting users' data. So how is this so, and how are they doing it? I'm going to explain that now in this video. So how are they doing it? Is this scam? Well, as the time I was making this video, no one has reportedly been scammed by this platform. Reason be that this platform does not ask people to invest money or deposit money, but in other way around, they are fake. How are they fake? They are fake by telling people to watch video and never paying them. From my investigation and my own test and experiences with this platform, a lot of people have completed the minimum withdrawal, and when they place it, they were not paid. So the payment keep pending. Even when you show payment successful, people did not receive it, just like MomoTube. That is exactly what MomoTube did, asking people to watch video. So this platform you are seeing here on your screen does not have any means of generating revenue for their user, rather than using their members as a means of traffic to their app. So that is what this platform is doing basically. So as the time I was making this video, no one has reportedly cashed out successfully on this platform. So have you been using this platform, and have you cashed out successfully? If it is yes, you can also share your own experiences in the comment section of this video. Okay, so that is it. In conclusion, as the time I was making this video, this platform known as Video Earn has been confirmed fake, and a lot of people have given negative reviews of not being paid. So therefore, this platform is not paying as the time I was making this video. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you have another question in regards to this platform, you can also comment below. You can also share your own personal experiences with this platform in the comment section of this video. Thank you, and remain sparky.